Hey, what's up everyone, it's Alango. A lot of people are feeling the pinch these days and it seems like everyone is looking for ways to make some extra cash. Whether you're saving up for a down payment, trying to pay off debt, or just want some more breathing room in your budget, who couldn't use a little more money? That's why, in this video, I'm going to be sharing 10 easy and profitable side hustles you can start right now, even if you have a busy schedule. We're talking about real ways to pad your bank account without needing any special skills or experience. Let's dive right in. So, you think you can write? I'm not talking about the next great American novel here, but if you can string together a coherent sentence and you enjoy writing, freelance writing could be your ticket to extra income. Think about it. Businesses are always looking for people to write blog posts, website copy, marketing materials, you name it, someone needs it written. The best part? You can do this all online from the comfort of your own home. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are like the Craigslist of freelance writing, connecting you with clients from all over the world. Don't be intimidated to start. There are tons of resources available to help you learn the ropes and start landing gigs. Were you always the one acing those math tests in school? Did you breeze through history class without breaking a sweat? Well, guess what? Your knowledge is valuable. Online tutoring is booming these days, and it's a fantastic way to earn money while helping others. Platforms like TutorMe and Schooly connect you with students of all ages who need help in your area of expertise. And the best part is, you can set your own hours and work as much or as little as you want. It's really flexible and can be incredibly rewarding, both financially and personally. Now this one is all about working smarter, not harder. Creating and selling digital products is like setting up a money-making machine that can generate passive income for months or even years to come. What kind of digital products, you ask? Well, it could be anything from ebooks and online courses to stock photos and website templates. The beauty of it is that once you create the product, you can sell it over and over again without any additional effort. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Creative Market make it super easy to set up shop and start selling. Chapter 4. Become a virtual assistant, the ultimate side hustle for organized people. Are you super organized and detail-oriented? Do you thrive on checking things off your to-do list? If so, becoming a virtual assistant might be right up your alley. Businesses of all sizes need help with administrative tasks, social media management, customer service, and more. As a VA, you can work remotely from anywhere in the world and set your own hours. Plus, you can specialize in a niche that interests you, whether it's social media marketing or bookkeeping. It's a great way to gain valuable experience while earning a solid income on the side. Chapter 5. Dropshipping, selling stuff without the stuff. Ever dreamed of starting your own online business but don't have the space or capital for inventory? Well, that's where dropshipping comes in. With dropshipping, you can sell products online without actually holding any inventory yourself. Here's how it works. You create an online store using platforms like Shopify, list products from a dropshipping supplier, and when a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to them. You never have to touch any inventory, making it a low-risk, high-reward business model. Chapter 6. Content creation. Turn your passion into profits. If you love creating videos, writing blog posts, or sharing your thoughts on social media, why not get paid for it? Content creation has exploded in recent years, and there are countless ways to monetize your passion. You could start a YouTube channel, launch a podcast, write for Medium, or even become a TikTok influencer. The key is to find your niche, create high-quality content consistently, and build a loyal following. It takes time and effort, but with dedication and a bit of luck, you can turn your passion into a profitable side hustle. Chapter 7. Photography. Capture the moment, capture the cash. Do you have a knack for photography? Do you see the world through a different lens? If so, you can turn your passion into profit by selling your photos online. Stock photography websites like Shutterstock, iStock, and Adobe Stock are always on the lookout for high-quality images, and you can earn royalties every time someone licenses your work. You can also offer your photography services locally, shooting events, portraits, or even real estate photography. Businesses need help navigating the ever-changing world of social media, and that's where you come in. As a social media manager, you'll be responsible for creating and executing social media strategies, managing social media accounts, creating engaging content, and tracking results. It's a great way to learn valuable digital marketing skills while earning money on the side. You can find social media management gigs on freelance platforms, job boards, or even by reaching out to local businesses directly. With the rise of the gig economy, delivery services have become a popular way to earn extra cash. Platforms like Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub, and Instacart allow you to set your own hours and be your own boss. You can choose to deliver food, groceries, packages, or even people. It's a flexible side hustle that can be a great way to earn money on your own time. Just make sure you factor in expenses like gas and vehicle maintenance when calculating your earnings. Are you a master crafter? Do you love creating unique and beautiful things? If so, selling handmade goods could be your ticket to side hustle success. Platforms like Etsy have made it easier than ever to reach a global audience of shoppers looking for one-of-a-kind items. You can sell anything from jewelry and candles to clothing and home decor. It's a great way to share your creativity with the world while earning extra income doing something you love. So there you have it, 10 easy and profitable side hustles you can start in 2025 to boost your income. Remember, building a successful side hustle takes time and effort, but the rewards can be well worth it. Whether you're looking to earn extra cash, pay off debt, or achieve financial freedom, there's a side hustle out there for you. So what are you waiting for? Pick one and get started today. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these side hustles are you most interested in trying? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more money-making tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.